Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a basically Friday Night Funkin' mixed with Freddy from Friday Night at Freddy's. So it's going to be Friday Night at Freddy's in a Friday Night Funkin' style. Sorry if I mixed you up there, but it'll be fun and stick around for it, okay? It's going to be easy as well, so you will be able to do this. Let's get started, alright? Let's just jump right into it. Okay, I'm going to go over here and I'm going to start with the front of the head over here because of the head of the Friday Night Funkin' style. So it's pretty big. Straight line over here. Curve. Back. They got this huge foreheads in Friday Night Funkin', I noticed. Alright. Going to go over here in the back. Circle. For his one ear, for Foz's ear. Curve around this side. Down. Over here. Circle. In here, I'm going to draw another circle, but it's going to be a thinner line. Over here on this side. Thinner circle again, you know, basically thinner line with a circle. Line up. Line up. Across. It's gonna be the bottom of the brim of the hat that he has. He has his top hat. Baby top hat over. Line up here. Line up here. We're gonna connect those two lines right there for the top of the hat. Alright. Then I'm going to fill that shape in as one. Go over here. Fill that shape in. We took simple shapes, made it as simple shapes, and now we're filling it in. If you have pencil, this is super easy to do. If you have pen, it might be a bit of a hassle, but you could do it eventually. Okay. Gonna go to the front. Bottom of the mouth. It's like this C shape. Alright, before I do anything else, I'm going to put a microphone here because that's going to be kind of forward and in our face. So I'm going to go over here, draw a circle for the end of that microphone. Okay, pull that down just a bit, and it's going to run into his finger wrapped around that base of that microphone. So it's going to be like a block here, like a curved block here, another one, and another one. So you're going to see the base of that microphone come out the bottom there, a little square at the end. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button if you haven't. Most people that watch this don't subscribe, are not already subscribed. So make this the video you do it in. Some people watch like 5 videos and then subscribe, but make this a video. It helps the channel out, helps the algorithm. There's no downside to it at all. You just kind of see thumbnails on your feed. That's literally it for you. No downside. Okay, I'm going to go over here and going to continue this side of the head, pulling it down. Just kind of connecting it in there. Going to do the same thing on this side over here. Going to pull it back. Here, kind of like so. Okay. I'm going to draw the netting on the microphone. It's going to be like line this direction, line across, and now I'm going to draw the nose over here. He's got this pretty round nose, I gotta say. So it's kind of like this, like you took a ball and you squished it, you smashed it or something. That's kind of the way I see it. Curved line across here, and I'm going to fill in most of it with black, but not the rest. Curve over here on this side because this guy, he's gonna have like that mouth there, that snout hanging out there. And then I'm going to draw a line down over here. The front there. Going to draw an eye right above it on this side. So circle right here. Circle over here on this side. Going to draw the inner circle there of the pupil and iris. Right over here, right over here. And one thing I want to do is I'm probably going to thicken the lines out around this eye because they're really set deep in there because he's an animatronic. Line here for one eyebrow. Line here for the other. It's gonna, you can do it in one line if you do it like that. Pretty simple. And I'm going to draw a tooth over here. Maybe a couple of teeth coming out the bottom there. Alright. Let's go over here to the stomach. Curve line here on this side. Curve underneath. Line down here for the back. Line down, line down. Down over here, up. His feet over here are going to be pretty big because in the Friday Night Funkin' style, they're pretty big. So I'm going to draw a line down here. And his feet are going to be like square, right? His bare paws are going to be square. Down over here. Going to draw a line across because remember he's an animatronic. So there's going to be a line over here in that joint. Line over here for like a circle there and a line there for like a knee joint. Go over here to the other side. Down here, well, we're gonna draw a straight line down. Then we're gonna draw a line out. Curve. Line over here. Curve. Curve. Alright. Even the feet are kind of, I think sometimes have joints, not always. Pull a line up. Line across. Circle here for the knee, line back. And there's also a color, I'm going to pull a line all the way up. There's a color differentiation here on the stomach. So curve a line across here. Pulling up. Over here down, we're going to draw bottom of the left side of the bow tie, which is just like an L shape. Circle. Other side of the bow tie. Straight line down coming from that tooth. Zigzag here for the thumb. Down over here for the finger. He has joints in this arm, so I'm going to draw joints in there. And he has two dots over here, like, because he's wearing like a suit, like a teddy bear suit or something. And he's got joints in the finger too. I'm going to try to make those lines thinner. Right on. The last thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to kind of give it a thicker line on the outside. Not all of it, but just like over here, some of it. The parts that need it, I think. Alright, that's it. That's Friday Night Funkin'. That's Freddy from Five Nights at Freddy in a Friday Night Funkin' style. Thank you so much. Share the video if you can. and I will see you in the next video. You know, I think I'm gonna actually give it this thicker line around here. I think it needs it, honestly, around a lot of this. That thicker line will help. Something about it just seems a little too complex for me. But yeah, it's interesting to kind of draw things in different styles. It's kind of neat. Don't forget, make a request in the comment section. Stick around if you want to see my full lessons. I'm going to make an announcement about that, and I'll talk to you next time, all right? See you later. Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, you know, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, you know, long term. And I get that, that's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload, and on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.